Chrome settings on Acer Chromebook is outstanding. The directions are immaculate. It's easy to set up. I have the 11-inch Chromebook. I love it. I did most of all my YouTube videos, and especially this one I'm doing in Chrome. So I want to show you how to set up, just to let Chromebook teach you how to use it in the settings menu. So you have to open your web browser, go into, hold on, open up your customizing control Google Chrome settings, and then go to help and about Chrome OS. And it will pull up a dialog box, and it'll tell you the bits, 64 bits. And you can also go here and check for updates. Click on that. But if you go into get help with Chrome OS, it will walk you through. Over here, get help from your Chrome manufacturer. And to get started, I will show you a little Chrome video. So bonus, watch a video.
Hi, I'm Raymond. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of switching from your old Windows, Mac, or other computer to your new Chromebook. To do so, we'll go through a few different phases: preparing the switch, backing up your old computer, and setting up your new Chromebook. Before you can make the switch to your new Chromebook, you'll need to make sure you have a Google account and a network connection. To create a new Google account, go to google.com/accounts. If you have used any Google service, you probably already have one. If you've used the Chrome browser on your old computer, you can back up your bookmarks, apps, and extensions by signing into Chrome on your new Chromebook. This will save these settings to your Google account. To back up your files, we recommend using Google Drive. Doing so allows you to access them online using your new Chromebook or any other device. To do this, go to drive.google.com and drag and drop your files to instantly upload them. You can also back up your files on an external storage device, such as a USB thumb drive. Just be aware of how much storage is on your new Chromebook when you transfer. Finally, after you've backed up your files, it's time to transfer over to your new Chromebook. First, begin by signing into your Google account. If you have not already done so, follow the on-screen steps to set it up. To find your bookmarks and apps, open the Chrome browser and they will sync automatically. If you've used Google Drive, click the Files app and go to My Drive. There, you'll find all of your backed up files. If you've used an external storage device, connect it to your Chromebook. Then go to the Files app and select the name of the storage device to see your files. For more information on your new Chromebook, visit the Google Help Center or the Get Help app.
That was a very good video. Should be using my mouse. Not hearing all that clicking noise. File types. People think you can't do as much as with a Chromebook as you can with a laptop, but you can with downloaded apps. And also, this Chromebook has a lot of files that it do take. As you can see, internal drives, monitors. You can connect monitors. I have a USB mouse connected now. But it takes you through anything you want to know. It's no guesswork. There's nobody you need to call or go searching on YouTube for a bunch of videos to see how to work Chromebook. You have all your answers in your Chromebook. If you click on each drop down, it will walk you through how to do everything you need, which makes it easier for us people that are up in age. And it even has a shows you how to connect the mobile data network, Verizon wireless, SIM card, all that. And it also uses a virtual host, which I love. I haven't used it yet, but you might be able to use it to Windows or Mac programs on your Chromebook to connect those programs. And it walks you through how you connect your host. Very simple. I love my Chromebook. I'll have more videos up here on gameplay. I play games on here too. I designed a game from an app I'll show you that I have. It's all my apps. I love each and every one of them. Let's see. This one right here. GameStar Mechanic. I love it. Well, my internet is acting up. We've called internet company a few times, but looks like we're going to have to call them again because it shouldn't be this slow if I'm paying for high-speed internet. But let me take you back to settings. I hope this video has helped someone to see that it's very easy to connect, to get started and using and enjoying your Chromebook. In the settings section, they do have a walkthrough menu. And walk you through updating it. I've updated my Chromebook. I bought my Chromebook in 2017. Yeah, 2017 from Best Buy, and an open box, which I paid only $135 for. It is 11-inch screen, and I love it. It's an Intel Core processor inside, and I enjoy it. I have no problem with it. Discovery, you just find anything. Go out and get yourself a Chromebook. I hope this video has helped someone. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing a lot more things on my Chromebook. Let me get out of this. I'm using screen share, so